Says here, 8 new planets found in Goldilocks zone. 2 are most similar to Earth of any known exoplanets. For those who have been reading the theory of stellar metamorphosis, what they're looking at are very, very evolved stars, very, very old stars. Astronomers announced today that they have found 8 new planets in the Goldilocks zone of their stars, orbiting at a distance where liquid water can exist on the planet's surface. This doubles the number of small planets, less than twice the diameter of the Earth, believed to be in the habitable zone of the parent stars. Among these 8, the team identified 2 that are the most similar to Earth of any known exoplanets to date. Unfortunately, their theory is only half-baked concerning the Goldilocks zone, as I'll explain. This is really funny. This is an artist's obsession depicting an Earth-like planet orbiting an evolved star that has formed a stunning planetary nebula. Earlier in its life, this planet may have been like one of the 8 newly discovered worlds orbiting in the habitable zones of their stars. It's really funny because they think this is the evolved star, and this is a planet. This is just a rock. No, this is a birthing star, and this is an evolved star. It's rocks and minerals. It's very, very many billions of years old, just like the Earth. Now, when I was speaking about the Goldilocks zone theory being half-baked, what they forgot, here I'll scroll down so you can see this entire article. They do calculations concerning, the question of too much sunlight, too little sunlight, and they all revolve around water being liquid. The reason why it's half-baked is because they completely miss the point of why there's life on Earth to begin with. We have a protective magnetic field. Nowhere in this article do they even mention anything about a magnetic field being around these Goldilocks zone planets. This is why it's half-baked, and that's the attitude of a lot of these astronomers these days. They put too much importance on one aspect of nature, and then they analyze the crap out of it. A magnetic field is essential for protecting the evolved star from ionizing radiation, because it's the ionizing radiation that takes away the water, not the temperature. This is what protects the Earth and makes it habitable. Its magnetic field. There's the Earth in the center. There's magnetic field. There's, I think, what's called the bow shock. I'm not too sure what that's called. But anyways, the ionizing radiation from the sun gets stopped and gets deflected by the magnetic field of the Earth. Without the magnetic field, there will be no habitable star. And those who have read the theory of stellar metamorphosis, they'll realize that this is the very last stages of a star's evolution. Over time, this magnetic field will die, and it will shrink considerably. And when it wanders the galaxy, the ionizing radiation of hotter, younger stars, such as the sun, will rip away the oceans.